events are happen, you just check that. Now this marriage event you just check. Now what happened in Pune, this case happened. What happened that there was a marriage. In the marriage, host obviously used that songs, and people were enjoying on that songs. But suddenly police entered in that event, and they have like arrested the host. The reason given is like that unauthorized use of songs without permission, the host have used the songs for that particular event. What do you think? It is a copyright infringement? Just check out. Check now the second example here. Now this second example is about the research papers. Now just if happen, the situation is like that you are a student, a research scholar, and you have your lab notebook. Some friend comes in your absence and he take that lab notebook where you have noted the important points, and now what happened that he has published this particular work which you have noted on his own name without giving any attribution to you or without mentioning your name, as if that fellow has done the research, he has published that. Whether it is a copyright infringement